back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this gorgeous pink mauve look, and it is a cut crease with shimmer, liner, big lashes and a glossy lip. If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So the first product I'm going to be using is the 24-hour photo finish eyeshadow primer from Smashbox. I haven't tried this before, so I'm really excited to try this. Just going to apply it on a little fluffy brush. Next up is from Boutique, and this is the HudaBeauty Obsessions palette in mauve. Let's start out with the shade on the side here. Let's go with that in the crease. Now I'm going to be taking this more intense, rich, purpley red and applying that in the crease, in the inner corner, kind of working my way out. Can go back in with that first shade and just soften all of this up nicely. Now I'm going to go in with this super dark shade in the corner here and apply this in my crease as well. Then going in with my Conceal and Define concealer from Makeup Revolution. I like using this for my cut creases. I'm going to just be applying this on my lid. Going in with a small flat brush. I am going to clean up this concealer. Now I'm going to be using this really stunning shimmer in the corner here and applying this on my lid. Ooh, yes. And now I'm going to be using this shimmer over here, which I am dying to use. Like, I'm obviously going to apply two shimmers. I can't use this palette for the first time and not use both of these shimmers. They are so beautiful. Kind of going to be applying this one going in that direction. So it's not just like one color and one color fading into each other. They kind of coming into each other at an angle. This is too damn gorgeous. I'm going to be using the roller liner from Benefit, and love, love, love this liner. I'm just going to be creating a nice wing. Okay, so liner done, and I applied lashes. These are the Sphinx Beauty lashes. I also filled in my liner with the same eyeshadows. I'm starting to really get obsessed with doing this. I like matching the liner to my dark eyeshadow instead of just having a black liner all the time. And I noticed that the roller liner picks up the eyeshadow quite nicely, so I'm just obsessed with doing that. I just take a normal small shader brush and then I pack the eyeshadow onto the liner. Next up we are doing primer, and I'm going to be using my favorite primer, which is the Flormar Illuminating Primer. Now I'm going to be adding the Perfect Coverage Foundation. This is shade 123. I'm going to be using another product from Boutique SA, and this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to be using shade 227S. This is the light medium sand. Hopefully it's really light. Yay! It is! I am so excited. Then for the contouring, I'm going to be using the Holy Grail Flash Case and just using the dark brown in here. Now I'm going to be using the Kylie highlighter. How gorgeous is this? This is shade Cheers, Darling. Guys, you seriously have to get your fix at Boutique SA because these brands are just killing it. And then of course the Floma bronzing powder. This is Beyond 03. Gotta set that contour, give my face a more sun-kissed bronze. Yes, this makeup is doing it for me. Okay, going in with the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette again. Just going mixing these two bottom colors, and I'm going to apply it underneath my eye. Taking the darkest shade in the palette with a smaller brush, and I'm just going to concentrate that shade in my outer corner underneath the eye. Using the Roller Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to be applying on my bottom and top lashes. I love this mascara, you guys. If you watched my latest videos, you'll see that I'm using this one quite often. I'm going to be using the soap trick again, and this is the Discam Pure Soap. A lot of you guys ask me, like, what is the trick? There's really nothing to it. You just spray your setting spray or Fix Plus from MAC onto here, use your spoolie, and then just brush your hairs up and it will stay up. Now using my Floma brow pen, I'm just going to be adding some more strokes to this brow. Using any one of your concealer brushes, just use your shade closest to your skin tone. You can go slightly lighter if you want. I'm not the biggest fan of a very highlighted brow bone. Just going to clean up underneath my brow. I feel like most of the time I do my makeup, I spend more time looking for what I need than actually doing my makeup. Using my Floma Invisible Powder, I'm just going to powder under my eyes. Now I am going to be applying the Los Angeles lip gloss by Smashbox. This one is so beautiful, this color, oh my god. Oh my god, Smashbox. This is the prettiest gloss I have ever seen in a while. That is so gorgeous. I'm so excited to try the other color. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any video or makeup suggestions, please comment down below, and I'll see you soon.